Hello, we here discuss now nucleophilicity and basicity. We already explained what is meaning of nucleophile, and here we compare that nucleophilicity term with basicity. A nucleophile is nothing but negatively charged species, electron rich species, and which have attraction towards electron deficient, that is positively charged substrate or species in medium, that are nothing but nucleophiles. Then that nucleophilic power, what is nucleophilicity? Nucleophilicity is nothing but power of that nucleophile to attract towards electron deficient species. Power of nucleophile to attract towards electron deficient species is nothing but nucleophilicity. And what is basicity? Power of any organic base to donate OH minus, or to absorb H plus, or to donate electron pair. Because there are three different definitions for organic bases, that is OH minus ion donor is known as base, H plus ion acceptor is also known as base, and Lewis definition is electron donor is nothing but base. Then what is basicity? Power of basicity is power of organic compounds or organic bases to donate OH minus, or to accept H plus, or to donate electron pair. That is nothing but basicity. This basicity term is measurable. If we consider general example of organic base, that is BOH, which dissociate as B plus plus OH minus, then dissociation constant Kb for this BOH can be given as Kb is equal to concentration of B plus ions into concentration of OH minus ions divided by concentration of BOH molecules. But for convenience, that basicity is measured, it is measurable value, measurable property, and that can be measured instead of in terms of Kb, it can be measured in terms of pKb, and that pKb is nothing but minus log of Kb. Minus log of Kb is nothing but pKb. And smaller the value of pKb, more the stronger base. Stronger the value of pKb, more stronger is the base. For example, NH3 having pKb value 4.7 is stronger base than pyridine having pKb 8.8. 8.8. Basicity is a measurable quantity, but that nucleophilicity is not accurate measurable quantity, and it is comparative property, that is this one is stronger than that. Nucleophilicity of any nucleophile cannot be measured accurately. that anions, that is negatively charged species, that are more nucleophilic than that of neutral molecules. Then if two nucleophiles have same nucleophilic atom, then nucleophilicity increases with increase in basicity, that is O minus if we compare in both that RO minus and RCOO minus, then that nucleophilicity of RO minus is greater than that RCOO minus, because basicity of RO minus is greater. That uh, therefore if two nucleophiles this comparison does not hold good while comparing atom down in periodic table, that is I minus, iodine minus is less basic but more nucleophilic than F minus. Why this? Because we know that I minus is very big, large size atom compared to F minus. F minus is very small size. F minus is smaller. It is solvated by H2O molecules, more solvated than I minus, and therefore F minus is covered by that water molecules and therefore not freely act as a nucleophile, because that one is covered. Cage is there around that F minus, cage of water molecules is there, therefore that F minus not freely act as nucleophile, act as a nucleophile. But in case of I minus, size is large, no cage is there, water molecules not able to solvate that I minus, and therefore that I minus is not covered by water molecules and therefore free for reacting and acting as a nucleophile. In the same way, OH minus is more basic but less nucleophilic than SH minus. Then there are here some points are given for distinguishing between that basicity and nucleophilicity. That basicity, it is extent to which base accept proton. Nucleophilicity, it is rate at which nucleophilic ions form bond with the substrate. Then basicity, it is absolute value and can be measured in terms of kb or pkb, while that nucleophilicity cannot be measured absolutely, it is relative term. Basicity, it is thermodynamic term, nucleophilicity is kinetic term. Then basicity affects the position of acid base equilibrium system, while nucleophilicity affect the rate of reaction. Actually, okay, these are some terms given here. Then for next lecture we discuss very important part of this topic, that is reactive intermediates. There are 3 intermediates only. We discuss that in next lecture. Thank you.